The National Weather Service in Pendleton, Oregon, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Deschutes County in central Oregon until 3:30 p.m. At 2:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bend, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bend and Tumalo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows.